The RMB BER Business Confidence Index for the third quarter of 2024 showed a marginal improvement to 38 points from 35 points previously. This simply means that just under 4 out of 10 surveyed business respondents were satisfied with prevailing business conditions. Of the 5 subsectors surveyed, 2 showed a decline, and those were wholesalers and building contractors. 1 remained unchanged, which is manufacturing, at 28, implying that just under 3 out of 10 surveyed business respondents were satisfied with prevailing business conditions. Where we saw an improvement is in retailers' confidence, as well as new vehicle motor dealers' confidence. If we look at the new vehicle motor dealers' confidence, we saw a significant improvement of 17 points to 27. Nonetheless, it remained the lowest confidence sector at just under 3 in 10 respondents that were surveyed that were satisfied with prevailing business conditions. What is more encouraging is the fact that across all 5 subsectors, the expectations for an improvement in business confidence in the next quarter is shared, which aligns with declining level of inflation, but also expectations of cuts in interest rates that we expect to begin later this month. If we just look also in terms of the release of GDP that was released yesterday, it also shows that GDP for the second quarter expanded, meaning we avoided a technical recession following a contraction in economic growth in the first quarter. This would align with the reduction in load shedding that we saw, which means it's going to continue to add positively to economic activity. Going forward, given the expectations of the respondents, we expect a pickup in business confidence to add to more investments, potentially also encouraging consumer-facing sectors to build more confidence and encourage economic activity. However, we still see constraints in the logistics sector, a factor that was also quite prevalent among respondents, that logistics remain a binding constraint on their economic activity. Load shedding itself has ceased to become a major issue, which means we get a relief from an electricity supply perspective, but we remain with constraints on the logistics sector, which is something that would need to be solved before we can see a significant improvement in confidence and therefore investment.